suggestions that the Argentine team would be whisked away in a bus straight to their hotel without acknowledging the crowd who waited here for 3 hours. Finally, the great man himself, Maradona, did come out and acknowledged the people, gave them a big wave, and the roof nearly went off of Sydney Airport Terminal. It was such a great moment.
The 10, this is Stan Zemanek, 906 8899. Let's go down to Sydney Airport. Regan Murphy, hello.
Hello, Stan. How are you?
Not too bad. You got a lot of happening out at the airport there, apparently.
Mate, it's an electric atmosphere here at Sydney Airport, Stan. Over 2,000 people have turned out to see the Argentine soccer idol Diego Maradona, and some have waited up to 4 hours to catch a glimpse of the star.
I see. He's sort of like the rock star of soccer, isn't he?
He certainly is. I've seen Pelé play, and I've had the pleasure of speaking to Pelé as a reporter, but it's really going to be something for Australian soccer to see Maradona take to the field at Sydney Football Stadium next Sunday against Australia, Stan.
Yep. Were they all sort of waving flags and beating their drums and stuff like that?
Oh, mate, they're chanting Argentina, Argentina. Yeah, the drums are going like crazy. There's kids with their faces painted blue and white, the national colours of Argentina. I must say, the people here are behaving themselves. It's a stark contrast to what happened at Golf Whitlam Park on Sunday. And the police, of course, the police presence has been stepped up, but that's just a routine, Stan.
All right, mate. Well, listen, thank you for that, and I appreciate it. Where does Maradona go off to now?
As I understand it, he's going to be whisked away. There won't be a press conference, unfortunately. It would have been great to get together with him, but he's going to be whisked away in a limousine, of course, to his hotel.
I see. Do the other Argentine players sort of look as if they've been left out of things?
It's impossible to tell, Stan. There's just so many people here. We're not too sure if the other players are actually overshadowed. Of course, they'd be overshadowed. That's the wrong thing to say, but all the attention is just on Maradona. You're absolutely right. There's people waving placards with huge blow-up poster-size things of Maradona. It's an atmosphere I've never witnessed, not since Circular Quay, when Sydney won the Olympics bid.
There you go. All right, Regan, listen, thank you for that. Appreciate it. There he is, Regan Murphy. He's from the Fairfax Community newspapers, and he's out there at the airport now with Maradona. And wouldn't it be interesting if Maradona married Madonna? Wouldn't they have an identity crisis?
1, 2, and